This is how to withdraw money from SwagBucks to AirTM. This is a new partnership between AirTM and SwagBucks. You can now withdraw and cash out your money on SwagBucks using AirTM platform. For you to be able to do AirTM SwagBucks transfer, you come to this place, you scroll down, you click more, you scroll down, you click redeem rewards. These are various payment methods that is available on SwagBucks platform, but this is new. This is AirTM SwagBucks withdrawals. So you can see on SwagBucks platform, 100 SB is equal to $1. You can cash out your SB to AirTM as soon as you accrue between $5 and $100. That is, you need to accrue 500 SB to 10,000 SB. You can cash out $5, you need 500 SB. You can cash out $10, you need 1,000 SB. You can cash out $15, you need 1,500 SBs. You can cash out $25, you need 2,500 SBs. You can cash out $50. $50 AirTM SwagBucks transfer will require 5,000 SB. While $100 AirTM cash out on SwagBucks will require 10,000 SBs. As you can see, AirTM is currently giving out a gift of $4. If you use the link below the description of this video, I will get $4 and you will get $4. If you already signed up with AirTM a long time ago, all you need to do is to ensure you verify your account, complete 3 transactions, at least $5. You will earn a gift bonus of $4. So you don't need to re-sign up with AirTM. You can see I currently have over $24. I receive a lot of free money on this platform. Watch this video. It's going to take you to 7 ways to receive free money in USDC step by step on AirTM. As soon as you receive your money from SwagBucks or from any platform, all you need to do is to click this symbol, which also represents withdrawal. Or you come here, you click withdraw, click withdraw. It will bring out these 4 stages. You scroll down. Your objective is you want to withdraw these funds. All you need to do is to click here, you click this, you scroll down. You can withdraw to any bank in any country that is supported by this platform. Let me show you. All these banks are supported by this platform. You will see the links of the countries that are not supported on AirTM below the description of this video. Most countries are supported, including Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, USA, Canada, and so much more. And you can also collect your money directly via cash. You can collect your money to different cryptos. I did a video recently on how to transfer from AirTM to Binance. The video will come out here. Watch that video. It will take you a step by step of how to do that. You can get the money and cash out through your e-wallet to gift cards. I've done multiple videos of how to cash out gift cards on this platform. A video will come out here. It's a real demo of how I cash out gift cards on AirTM. So you can also cash out to your dollar account in your country. You can cash out to Payoneer. You can cash out to PayPal. You can cash out to Perfect Money, Scree, Cheaper Cash, Neteller, SEPA, Wise. You can cash out to Binance. You can transfer your cryptos to Payer, Netflix, and if you are using OPay in any country, you can get paid directly to your OPay bank account in your country, and this includes Nigeria. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video to get a gift from AirTM. Do me a big favor, subscribe to this channel, like this video. All you need to make money on SwagBucks is to invest between 1 to 2 hours every day, and this can earn you $10 daily. You will need to maintain a regular schedule to take part on surveys and different activities on SwagBucks platform. Watch this video. It will take you through a step-by-step process of how to make money on SwagBucks. Other websites that are alternative to SwagBucks that can also help you make money and you will get paid through AirTM, Timebox, Free Cash, Remotask, Sprout Gig, Neoboss, 2Capture, Get Paid To, and so many others. Ysense, and you can see this is SwagBucks. A video will come out here. Is a list of top websites that will help you get paid using AirTM. You see the links of all these platforms below the description of this video. Ensure you take advantage of this opportunity to stay at home and make money online. I've done multiple videos about SwagBucks. This is my SwagBucks payment proof video directly to Nigeria bank account. This is a video of how to get free gift cards on SwagBucks and payment directly to your bank account in any country. This is how to process your SwagBucks to gift cards and directly to your bank account, and this works worldwide. The next video is this. You will learn how to process your funds on AirTM directly to your bank account in your country, step by step, real demo. And the second video, you will learn how to make money on SwagBucks platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I'm going to reply and get back to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.